Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So it has been quite a while since I have done a video. Sorry about that. But it is that time of the year again when we do our spring cleaning. So that is how we are going to kick off this year, is by doing a spring cleaning, and then a couple videos coming up here in the next couple weeks is going to be more along the lines of updating our small garden outside, as well as some of the home projects that we're going to be doing outside. I'm also going to be making a list of things that we need to do for the grass, because I will be doing that this year, keeping it green, maintained, and more vibrant than what we've done in the past years. So I have that on my agenda for this year, as well as trying to put in several different flower gardens here and there throughout our yard. Okay, so for today we are going to just stick to some minimal, I guess, organization type spring cleaning. I have actually already kind of done some cleaning today already, like mopping the floors and sweeping and vacuuming. I haven't really gone through the pantry in some time, so we need to trash all the expired items. And then if you can see up here, we have a bunch of stuff that we use but don't tend to use every day, I guess you would say. So I kind of want to try to put that stuff that's up there in the pantry or put it in the basement. So I'm going to be trying to come up with some new ideas on how to organize that stuff as well. And then over here, I just want to organize this a little bit better. I've already taken out all the Valentine's decor, the winter decor, and everything. So now I just need to update it with spring decor. So that is going to be a project in itself as well, because I have a bunch of stuff downstairs that I need to bring upstairs. So I will probably do that project tomorrow. And then we're going to be working on the living room as well. So without further ado, let's get started. So we have these tote things that I have been using for several years now, and they work out great. It's a lot better than just stuffing everything in and it being all discombobulated. So I like having the totes, and you can just pull them out with whatever you need. Okay, so this is what everything looks like now. Doesn't look too bad. We got rid of 2 totes that were up here. So now I have these up there, paper towels, and then all the crock pots and everything that we sometimes use. Alright, so now we're done with the pantry. Now we're going to do the spice shelves. As you can tell, there is a lot of work to be done in here. Okay, so now we have this completely all organized. We got rid of a bunch of stuff and consolidated a bunch of seasonings as well. Now we are going to go ahead and start on the china cabinet. Okay, so now we have all this organized for now. All we need to do is just get the spring stuff out and put all the spring glasses and mugs right here, and some of the decor stuff right here. And then all I have to do is just rewash some dishes that happen to get dirty in the process of me moving things. And then I just have to put these in one of these bins and take it downstairs and switch out for all the spring stuff. Okay, so this is going to be the last thing that we are going to do for today because it is almost 7 p.m. and we've been doing this since I think around 3 p.m.-ish. So it's not too bad, but I want to see if I can organize this a little bit better so we can get stuff in and out from here. And this side isn't so bad, but this side's really bad. So we're gonna try to organize it as best as we can. Okay, so we have everything organized in the kitchen. So at least that is completed for our spring cleaning and organizing. I think tomorrow I will just finish up washing off the cabinets and the backsplash and everything and the windows. So that would be on tomorrow's agenda, as well as redoing everything in the living room and fixing the table as best as I possibly can. And then we will get started on the entryway, maybe, depends on our time. And then we should have enough time to finish all of the extra cleaning that I don't normally do, such as dusting and washing the walls and everything. So we'll take care of that tomorrow. Hi everyone, welcome back. It is the next day. So today we are going to be focusing on the living room. I really don't have that much to do in here because I just got done basically deep cleaning last month because it really needed it after having all the windows open. But we're going to just do a light dusting with everything on the walls and everything, and I'm probably going to be washing some of the walls because I know I didn't do that last month, so I'm going to do that, and also definitely the baseboards because they really need a dusting right now. And then I'm going to be making this DIY baking soda lemon sprinkle and put it all on the couch and the chair back here so it will be more refreshed. So we're going to go ahead and start that, and then I'll probably just vacuum the couch because I have not done that for a while. Look at all of that dust. It's been a little bit since I have actually dusted up here. So these plants I'm not really going to be doing any water dusting for right now because I'm actually going to transplant this into a larger pot so that I can hang it here and it can actually continue to grow for, I am hoping for 4 or 5 more years before I need to either cut it or need to transplant it into something else. But these are doing really good, and I haven't really came up with that idea if I want to continue having the vines grow up and like around these things, or if I just want to cut them once they get so long and then put them around the house. I haven't really decided exactly what I want to do yet with it, but I do know that I do want to do a viney thing in the kitchen, but that's going to probably be next year or the year after when I start to do that, because that's going to be a huge project in itself. But I won't talk about that just yet because I don't want to get that surprise away. So once I do a house update video, I'm hoping within the next 2 months or so, then I will get more into depth about that. So right now I'm going to put the load of laundry that's in the washer and the dryer, and then begin another load. And then we're going to actually begin wiping down some of the surfaces in the living room and picking up and tidying up a little bit more. As you can see, these are not Tide Pods. They are actually eco-friendly lavender washing detergent that is actually healthier for you, as well as better for your washing machine as well if you have an HE washing machine.
I know that's definitely gonna get me a couple hate comments right there. Like you're saying that I hate orange vanilla. So basically, orange cream is basically the creamsicle, the orange creamsicle version of Coke.
Okay, so we are going to be doing our DIY mixture of not only sanitizing but also making our couch smell good. And I just got this from Amazon. It's the essential oils. So I already bought one of these 2 years ago and really liked it, so I wanted to get another one. I usually only use certain essential oil scents because some of them actually give me migraines. So today I think I usually do lemon. I might try something else. I'm excited. I can actually get this open. So we have all of our little essential oils. Supposedly this is a good one. It's not like one of those fake chemical ones. So, and then you also get a little booklet with this as well. So we're gonna do a mixture between lemon and sweet orange. Actually, you know what? No. I changed my mind. We're going to do eucalyptus. Okay. So today we're going to do eucalyptus, if you can see that. And I'm going to use pure baking soda. I'm not going to use that much because I'm only going to do this couch as well as that chair, so I don't really need that much. I only put that much in. I'm going to try to mix it up so that there's no clumps in it. And I've already made this mixture before, so I know nothing will happen to this couch, but you definitely want to test it out, and I would test it on the inside. So I'm going to take 20 drops of the essential oil. Ooh, that smells good. So there's 5 so far. And I don't want it to be all clumpy, so that's why I just did 5. This is what it should look like with 20 drops. Look all fluffy, cloud-like. All right, so there's a couple ways that you can do this. You can either just sprinkle it on like that. Of course, use gloves since if you're allergic to it. Or you can pour some into a sifter. And just like sprinkle it around. like so. And that's kind of what I will be doing so I can get it all spread out. Okay, so I am letting this set for probably about 10-15 minutes, and then I am going to go ahead and vacuum everything clean. And it's already starting to smell really refreshing in here, but with eucalyptus, it smells really good. So that will probably be our last task in here after we do a sweeping. And then we're going to start dinner. So tonight is going to be taco night. It is Friday. Usually I do taco Thursdays, but I just wasn't feeling it yesterday, so I made a pizza instead for Orlando. And then today we are going to have tacos. So that sounds pretty good. Well, I almost got everything vacuumed up. My vacuum actually ran out of batteries, so I have to wait for that to charge, and then after that charge, then we can sweep the floor. Okay, so now we are going to be making tacos for dinner, so I will get that started now. We're gonna make tacos with turkey, ground turkey, and then we're gonna use the seasoning. So Orlando loves this Taco Bell sauce, so he has to have this every single time he has tacos.